In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Grok image to video generator, a fantastic tool that can convert static images into dynamic videos easily and efficiently. Whether you're a content creator, educator, or just someone looking to add a bit of zing to your presentations, this guide will walk you through all the steps to transform your images into engaging video content. First off, you'll want to start by heading over to Google. Open up your web browser, and in the search bar, simply type in Grok. Grok is an AI-based platform offering various creative tools for users wanting to dabble in the world of AI-generated art and media. Once you hit search, you should see Grok's official website appearing among the top results. Go ahead and click on it to access the platform. Upon entering the Grok website, look for the Imagine section. This is the creative hub where you'll be crafting your image to video project. Once you're in the Imagine section, it's time to start working on your prompt. A prompt is essentially the set of instructions you provide the AI to tell it what kind of video you want it to create from your image. Think of it as the blueprint for your video. The clearer and more detailed your prompt, the more precise your final video output will be. Next, Grok also allows you to upload a file. This is where you'll be placing your image into the system for processing. Make sure that your image is in a compatible format and is of high enough quality to ensure the best possible video outcome. Simply click on the Upload a File button and navigate through your computer's folders to select your desired image. Once you've uploaded your image and crafted your prompt, it's time to generate the video. Look for the option to make a video and click on it. The platform will then work its magic, transforming your static image into a dynamic, animated video. This process might take a few moments, depending on the complexity of your prompt and the size of the file you uploaded. So it's a perfect time to grab a coffee while it loads. And just like that, your image-to-video transformation is complete. You can now view your video, download it, and share it wherever you'd like. Whether it's for a presentation, social media, or just for the fun of creating something new, you now hold in your hands a video that was once merely a single, static image. That wraps up our tutorial on the Grok image-to-video generator. I hope you found it as exciting and straightforward as I did. Thanks for following along, and happy creating!